Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to automate LinkedIn ads leads to Google Sheets and send welcome emails. So here my objective is that whenever someone applies through my LinkedIn lead ads, automatically a new record is added in Google Sheet and an instant welcome mail will be sent to the user's Gmail account. So to do this, I will integrate my LinkedIn to Google Sheet and Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this right here is the automation that we will be creating in this video. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can create this automation, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation will work in real time. So this is my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager where I have already created one ad by the name of Pabbly Connect. So I am simply clicking on it. After that, I am going to apply on this ad by clicking on this Apply Now button. Then you can see it will ask me to enter the email address and the phone number. So I am sharing one test email address and contact number. This is the default lead form. That's why the first name, last name and the company name is coming automatically as Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service and the Magnet Breeze. But when you create this, you have to enter all these data manually. Now I will simply click on the submit button. See, I have successfully applied on this ad. Now we will check our Google Sheet to see that we have received the new record or not. See, a new record is automatically added in my Google Sheet which includes all the details that I have mentioned on the lead form. Now I am also going to show you my Gmail account. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago which includes my name as Pabbly Connect Subscription Billing Management Service. As I told you earlier, on the ad that I have applied on is in the draft mode. That's why the first and last name is coming like that. So if you also want to create this amazing automation, then simply follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and the people who are facing similar problems just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In this page on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you will click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I will click on the sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are doing integration between application, and this will only be possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option where you have to enter the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. When I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, name as new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the other one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Next, it will ask me to enter the workflow name that I am going to enter as automate LinkedIn ads leads to Google Sheet and send welcome emails. After that, I will select the folder as Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. This is the first step that you have to select for creating your workflow. In this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I receive a new apply through my LinkedIn lead lead ads, then automatically all the leads of my user will be stored into my Google Sheet and an instant welcome mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account. So to do this setup, I am going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn. For that, I am simply searching LinkedIn here in this choose app field. Here I selected. After that, the app event I am going to select as lead notification. Next, I will click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. After that, I will click on this connect with LinkedIn button. Here it will ask me to enter the email address and the password. By entering both of these details, I am clicking on the sign in button. You can see that my LinkedIn account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Next, I am going to select the sponsored account as Pabbly's ad account, as I am using this account right here. Now in the next, this is the simple response toggle. If you want a response in simple format, then you can enable this toggle. If this toggle is disabled, then you will receive the response in advanced format. After that, I will click on the save and send test request button. See, it is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am again going to apply on my LinkedIn lead ad by clicking on this apply now button. After that, I have entered the test email address and contact number in both of these fields, and the first name, last name and company name is going as the test. As I told you that I create this lead form in a draft mode. After that, I will click on the submit button. See, I have successfully applied on this ad. Now I am going to check my workflow that I have received a new response or not. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. It is visible that I have received a new response which includes all the test details that I have entered into my lead form. This means that my LinkedIn account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now the setup of my trigger application is complete. After that, I am going to select my action application as Google Sheet. So to do this, I am simply clicking on this plus option. Next, I am searching the app as Google Sheet. Here I selected. After that, the app event I am selecting as add new row. Next, I will click on this connect button. You can see that it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. After that, I will click on the sign in with Google. Here I am going to select the account. Next, it will ask me for my permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this continue button. See, my Google Sheet account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Next, you have to select the spreadsheet in this field that I am going to select as LinkedIn ads leads. After that, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is LinkedIn, in each of these fields. Now for doing the mapping, I am simply clicking on it. After that, I am selecting the response from here, that is my user's first name. As I told you earlier, I created the lead form in a draft mode, so I have received the test details. But when you do this, you have to map real details in this field. Here I map the first name as Pabbly. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. This will also help you to do not enter data manually. Now in the next, I am going to map the last name in this field. After that, the email address. Lastly, the contact number. See, here I mapped all the field. After that, I will click on the save and send test request button. We have received the positive response. Now we will check our Google Sheet that a new record will be added or not. See, automatically a new row will be added into my Google Sheet, which includes all the details that I have mapped on each of the fields. This means that till this step, our automation is working perfectly. Now in the next, I want to send welcome mail to each of my users' Gmail account. So to do this, I will simply click on this plus option where I am going to search the app as Gmail. Here I selected. After that, the app event I am going to select as send email. Next, I will click on this connect button. It will again provide me two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will click on the select existing connection. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. After that, I am clicking on the sign in with Google button. Here it will ask me to give the permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this continue button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to write the sender name in this field as Pabbly team. Next, as soon as you can connect your Gmail account to Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender reminder email address in this field. After that, I am going to do the mapping in this recipient email address field. That is the email address of my user. Here I mapped. Next, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the email subject in this field. As welcome, here's how to automate all your app with ease. After that, I am going to enter the email content in this field. Here I write in this email content, after this hi, I want my username. So for that, I am simply clicking on here and selecting the response from this step. That is my user's first name as Pabbly and last name as subscription billing management service. Next, you have to select the email content type that I am going to select as HTML as I write this email content in the HTML format. You can also create your HTML email by clicking on this here below, and a complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML email link is also there. Next, the labels I am going to select as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL here. Next, I will click on the save and send test request button. See, we have received the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account that we have received a new mail or not. Here I am refreshing this. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name as Pabbly subscription billing management service that I have mapped on email content field and all the details that I have right there. I write this email content as a test example. You can make the changes in it completely based on your use. As we have received the mail, this means that our automation is working perfectly. Now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check out. With the help of this automation, whenever someone applies through your LinkedIn lead ads, automatically all the leads of your user will be stored in your Google Sheet and an instant welcome mail will be sent to the user's Gmail account. And it is only made possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.